how to use Google Ads to grow your subscribers on YouTube and also increase your watch hours so that you can qualify for monetization on YouTube. That is exactly what I want to show you in this video. So I encourage you to pay keen attention to the process, because if you miss any of the steps, you might not be able to get the result you are looking for. And at the end of the day, you might waste your money on advertising. So that is why I encourage you to pay keen attention to the step one after the other. So right now in this Google Ads account, I want to show you something very important. So I click on the tools and settings, then under setup, which is what we are seeing here, I go straight to the linked account. So from there, you will see that I have some accounts already linked to my Google Ads account. Then after that, I will go ahead. You see, I have my Google Analytics and I have my YouTube link to this particular Google Ads account. I want to also show you something here. If you go to the measurement and click on conversions, then I want to show you a couple of things there. Now we have a couple of conversions being tracked in this particular Google Ads account. The first one is purchase on the website, and you can see we have about 124 conversions in the last maybe 2 weeks, between February 22nd to March 12th, 2023. Now we also have another conversion which is lead form, and then we have about 2 here. And the next one is we have engagement, which is YouTube channel subscription, and we have 1071 in the last maybe 2 weeks as well. Now this is very, very important. This YouTube channel subscription is what we are interested in. By default, you will not have this in your Google Ads conversion tracking. And if you don't have it, whatever action you perform, you will not be getting the right result and you might end up wasting your money. So that is why this is the first step we want to take in order for us to be able to use Google Ads to drive massive subscribers on YouTube and also increase the watch hours so that you can be able to qualify for YouTube monetization. So I will not be able to use this particular account to demonstrate to you. I will go to another Google Ads account and I'll show you exactly what you need to do before we proceed to the next step. This is the Google Ads account I want to use for this demonstration. So if I click on the tools and settings, then I click on conversion, you will realize that I have some conversion tracking in place, purchase, but I don't have the engagement. Now we want to do it so that we can have the engagement on this conversion track. So the first thing we want to do here now is we want to go ahead and link our YouTube channel to this Google Ads account. Now I click on linked accounts, then you can see we have only Google Analytics linked in this particular Google Ads account. So right, we want to go ahead and click on YouTube. So after clicking on detail, you can see it asked me to add channel. Then I click on add channel. So I can go ahead and type the name of the channel here, or even if I have the URL, I can paste the URL. So I want to use one of my channels for the sake of this demonstration. So I enter the name of the channel, which is my name, Luwole. So now this is the first channel here. I'll go ahead and select it. So after selecting the channel, Google is asking if I am the owner or not. So I'm the owner of this channel, so I will click on the first option. Then the next thing is I will go to YouTube. So right now on YouTube, I will be able to complete the linking of that YouTube channel to my Google Ads account. So I want to switch the channel because the default channel in my YouTube account now is not this particular channel I want to link. So let me switch to that particular channel so that I can be able to link it to Google Ads. The same thing, if you have multiple channels and you are trying to link, Google will ask you to switch to the right channel so that you can link it. You can see by default now, it has already switched to this channel I want to link. Now I can go ahead and link it. Now, if you look at these three selection, you realize that the first one is view count, the second one remarketing, and the third one engagement. That engagement is very, very important. That is why we are doing this. So don't remove any of the selection, leave everything selected. Now we go ahead and click on link. You can give it a name here, which is demonstration. Let me just put it demonstration. Okay, Ojasweb channel. Now let's go ahead and link it. After link, now the channel has been linked to my Google Ads account. So if I go back here and refresh this page, I want to see what we have here. Just refreshing it to see if the channel has already been linked successfully. Now, if it is linked successfully, now you can see the channel has been linked. If you want to remove it, you just click on link. Now, if you go back to the tools and click on linked account, you will realize that you now have a Google Analytics and YouTube linked to your account. You can see now the YouTube is there. Now, let's quickly look at our conversion, whether we have engagement as part of our conversion. If we don't have it, it's probably because we just linked this account and then Google has not been able to pull up the information to the Google Ads account. That is the reason. But if you come back maybe after some hours, you realize that in your conversion, you should be able to see engagement as part of the conversion in your Google Ads account. You can see we have not been able to see it here, but it will be here very soon. Now, let's go back to the previous account. I have shown you the most important step which you have to do before you proceed to the next step, which is linking your YouTube account, your channel to your Google Ads account. Now, back to the previous Google Ads account. I already have this there. Then I can go ahead to the overview of my account now. Then I want to start by creating a campaign. Now, when you are creating the campaign, you are going to go ahead and select YouTube. There's something very important I want to mention here. Now, you can get a lot of subscribers, but if you don't do it the right way, you might not get a lot of watch hours that will be counted towards your watch hours that is eligible for monetization. You know, you are required to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before you can qualify for YouTube monetization. However, if you are driving views from YouTube ads to your channel, those views you are driving from your YouTube ads will not be counted towards your 4,000 watch hour, and that is why this is another important step you need to take note of. Now, if I go ahead and click on my campaigns, I have about 3 active campaigns at the moment, and then this is the particular campaign I'm using to drive more subscribers to my channel. So if I click on this campaign, now I will see I've already started the advert is running. So the most important thing which you have to do now is not going to be present in this video. The most important thing is that the video you want to use to get massive view hours should be a video that is longer than 10 minutes. For example, this particular video you are watching now, I've not finished it, but this video might be more than 10 minutes. If this video is more than 10 minutes, you know, it's a training video. Now, I will not use this particular video for the advertisement. I will now go ahead and create another video for the purpose of these subscriptions and then view hour. So when I create another video to advertise on YouTube, I want to make that video as the advertisement for this. Let me just explain once again. You know, this video you are watching now is a video that teaches you how to use Google Ads to drive massive subscriptions on your YouTube channel. But I am not going to use this particular video you are watching now for the advert. I'm going to create another promo video which I'm going to use to advertise for this particular video you are watching. So that promo video is what I will run advert to. Then I will put the link to this particular video you are watching in the description of that promo video. So when I put this link in that promo video in the description, once you see the advert, which is that promo video, once you see that advert and you are watching it, probably you want to learn what I am doing and how I'm actually showing you how you can use Google Ads to drive massive subscribers and also increase your watch hour. You want to see exactly how I do it. So you will go ahead and click on the link in that description of that video. And when you click on the link in that description of that video, that view that you are watching from the link you click is the one that can count towards your 4,000 watch hours. So, you know, the person saw your advert, the promo video, and is watching it. Then you mention that click on the link in the description to watch the full video. Then they click on the link in the description. Now, the link in the description that the person click is now showing video that is 10 minutes to 20 minutes long. That one is what we count toward the watch hours, not the one that you advertise. So it is not recommended for you to use the one you want to use to gain more watch hour as your advertising video. You have to create a special video for the advert, then have a separate video that you want to have the link in the description of that advertisement, so that when they are watching, they click on the link, then they will watch the main video, then you will be able to increase your watch hour. As you are doing that, you are also going to be getting massive subscription on your channel. So right now, That is another most important thing you need to take note of. Then when you take note of that, and I assume you have gone to YouTube, you have edited the videos, you have added the link to the description, then you want to come back to your Google Ads, then you want to create your campaign. So when you create your campaign, you are going to start by selecting the goal for your campaign. Now, the goal for this particular campaign is we can go ahead and click on the lead, for example. Then the next one is we have two action here. We have lead, we have purchase. Now, we are not going to use that. Let's go ahead and look at sales and see if we have that. Not that one is not there. Now, let's go ahead and click on create a campaign without goal. So when we create a campaign without goal, the next action we want to take now is we want to take a video. So after selecting video, then let's leave the first option selected and click on continue. So when we click on continue, the next thing is that we are going to go ahead and fill the information for this particular campaign. So once we finish filling the information for this campaign, we are going to go straight to the YouTube channel and copy the link of that promo video we want to use, not the one that you want to use to gain watch hours. Is the main promo video that you want to use, that you paste the link here. And once you paste the link here and you set your budget, then you create your campaign. And once your campaign is approved and goes live on Google, then you will start seeing your subscription growing rapidly. And also, once they are clicking on the link in the description of that particular promo video, and the watch hour will also be increasing. So that is how you can use your Google Ads to increase your subscribers on YouTube and also increase your watch hours on YouTube. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel on YouTube and comment on the video. Thanks for watching the video and bye for now.